Guys, Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be going over Vibe. Vibe Hub is basically a technology platform with the capacity to create virtual reality marketplaces and hubs as well, allowing users to buy and sell experiences far beyond the possibilities of traditional technology. So basically, what Vibe Hub is trying to do is take your favorite artist or your favorite educator or instructor, whoever it may be, and basically just make a hologram out of them, a full body hologram. That way, it kind of feels like you're at a live, just basically imagine you're sitting in a virtual seat, or in a real seat at a live concert that feels like, that you're actually there. Like meet and greet your favorite artist thousands of miles away, basically. All transactions, however, are going to be on the Vibe Hub are going to be used with Vibe here. What elevates Vibe Hub above traditional virtual reality applications is the ability to capture virtual performance in volumetric video, utilizing holograms of artists, educators, instructors for years to come. So I feel like this is actually something I've kind of dreamed of when I was a kid. Having kind of being able to meet your favorite, not well, for me it was my favorite sport athlete at the time. But this is kind of cool because you can do your artist, your educator, your instructor. So I definitely feel like this is something that will be around in the future. Where can you get Vibe? You can get Vibe from Binance and hit BTC and Ether Delta. But before we dive into Vibe here, guys, let's really quick take a look at the market. Looks like our analysis is actually playing out for a lot of our coins from yesterday. But before we dive into that, let's look at the market cap. Market cap currently sitting at 540 billion. Today's volume 31.0 billion. Bitcoin dominance almost at 35. Bitcoin up almost 5% for the day, sitting at 11,200. Ripple up 2% for the day, sitting at 1,000. Or I'm sorry, Ethereum up 2% for the day, sitting at 1,000. Jesus, imagine Ripple at 1,000. Wow. um, Ripple currently up 13% for the day, sitting at $1.38. Bitcoin Cash up almost 4%, sitting at 1,600. Litecoin up 3% here, sitting at 182. Lumen's up 6, almost at 50 cents. IOTA up 7, sitting at $2.56. Dash still under 800 here, sitting at 780. Tron at 7 cents. Monero at 312. So it looks like a lot of these coins are actually starting to recover, guys. Really quick, let's take a look at Bitcoin's price action here. And it looks like our analysis played out just like we said. Yesterday and a couple videos before, we were saying, we were most likely going to get a double bottom here. And we did. Looks like our nice little W is looking pretty nice. We have this looks like a nice little whammy double bottom. If for those of you who don't know, I trade the foreign exchange as well. And if you're looking to get more info on the foreign exchange, just go ahead and send me a private message, and I'll go ahead and respond to you as soon as possible. But our analysis here played out perfectly. We have a nice little whammy double bottom. And if we go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum did the exact same thing. Go ahead and take out a little paintbrush. So it looks like a lot of these cryptos here are going to start to recover. However, we're still not in the clear yet. Still not in the clear. Well, my confirmation is the break above here for all of them. So once we break this level, for Bitcoin being almost 13,000, for Ethereum being about 1,150, and for Litecoin being about 215. Once we break those levels, I believe we'll be continuing our nice long-term bull trend. But that's just my personal opinion, guys. I'm no financial advisor. Let's go ahead and take a look at Vibe here. Currently sitting at $1.04, down 3% for the day. Market cap 187 million. Today's volume 18.3 million. Circulating supply 179 million. Total supply 267 million. So it looks like their total supply is, it's relatively low compared to some of these other coins. Some of these coins are in the billions, but I don't really like. So, millions is all right. So I like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website here. Photorealistic holograms, capturing hologram performances of artists, educators, public figures, and presenting them in the immersive virtual worlds. A virtual society reality. Discover what all the Vibe is about. So these are some kind of like little preview videos that I recommend you guys watch. I'm not going to play them here just to kind of keep it short. Platform features here: trusted blockchain technology and alternative reality, monetizing in a virtual world, which I feel like is pretty cool. Giving you a voice among the masses, exposure in unique marketplaces and hubs. one-stop shop platform from music to education, gaming, and dating marketplaces, just to name a few, all from one platform with the currency, paying publishers fairly, safe and secure, no middleman, no fees, more immersive social experience. How to use Vibe. Start on the Vibe platform here. You can use it for concerts, education lessons, virtual assets, crowdfunding. This is the interaction with the smart contracts here: crowdfunding, escrow, and voting. How are holograms captured? Develop concert or lesson. Capture concert or lesson, the volumetric production quality. So this is what I mean by they capture their full body. So they basically, record them from the front, from the back, from the sides, and just make a hologram copy of them with their technology. If we go ahead and take a look at the roadmap here, so we are currently in Q1 2018, and they're actually going to be releasing all their virtual reality and hardware platforms by the end of Q4 2018. So it looks like they'll be live in about a year, hitting the market. Um, I'm a firm believer of you shouldn't be investing into coins or anything that doesn't really have a product. But this kind of seems like this I guess would be more of a heavy risk trade for me. The roadmap, doesn't give too much detail. First of many virtual performance. So they got a beta performance here, in-house production, more beta testing here, and then Q4 they go live. But let's go ahead and take a look at their exchanges: Binance, Ether, and Hit. There's hardware and software partners here. They got PS4, Amazon website services, Partner Network, Unity, Samsung, Microsoft. So they have some big players here. Definitely a force to be reckoned with, I believe. Let's go ahead and take a look at some price action here. I already marked some level for us here, as you guys could tell. It's stuck in a nice little channel. It's not a confirmation yet. I'm not calling it a channel. I drew it as a channel just because I kind of want to see if it does play out as a channel. So what we could possibly see is a nice little bounce here, and then a nice little drop towards here. Once we come down to about 8,000 satoshis, I believe we will head towards the upside, coming back up to our all-time high here at about 23,000 satoshis. But this is just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Another scenario that could possibly happen here is this come down to about 5,000 satoshis and then shoot towards the upside. Go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Where do I see this going in 2018, guys? Definitely to 23,000 satoshis. Probably going to be a nice little double bottom here. Most likely what's going to happen, and then we'll shoot towards the upside. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, new video every single day. Give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.